Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that gold on a weekly time frame found strong support right around at this key zone over here, and after finding strong support around at this key zone, it continued to move with this bullish momentum all the way up to make a retest on this key zone, which we marked on the basis of these 4 retest points. As you can see, now gold's move from this support zone could either be a pullback move from gold to continue pushing down with further bearish momentum to create a new lower low over here on a higher time frame point of view, or this move from gold could also be an actual move which might lead gold to make a retracement to all the way above this key level or all the way to retest this key zone over here. Now these are some of the most obvious key levels and zone that we drew on the basis of these major retest points. As you can see on an overall point of view, how gold has these two key zones as an obvious key levels and zone with these major retest points where gold might come up to if it continues with further bullish momentum on the long side over here on the upcoming week or some weeks from that. And also we have this major support zone which gold needs to make a break out of with further bearish momentum to continue creating new lower low to any of these key zones over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see gold has been respecting a downtrend line, like a beautiful downtrend line, for quite a while now, and also recently it just showed signs of making a breakout of that downtrend line over here with this bullish move over here, but currently finding resistance over here at this key zone. Now this breakout move from gold on this downtrend line could either be actually a breakout move and gold might make a breakout of this downtrend line to continue pushing up with further bullish momentum, or this could also be a fake out move as well. So to know that, we also drew another uptrend line over here which gold is currently respecting while moving in this pullback move with this bullish engulfing candles. So if gold does make a breakout of this previous high while respecting this uptrend line and also this key zone which it drew on the basis of some major retest points which is on the weekly time frame as well, as you can see all these major retest points. So if gold does continue to respect this uptrend line or this key zone as its support zone and continue to push up by breaking above this high with further bullish momentum, then gold would be making a breakout of this downtrend line for sure, and this move from gold might lead gold to come all the way retest this key level or this key zone over here. However, if gold makes a breakout of this uptrend line, also better yet make a break and close below this major key zone with further bearish momentum and continue to push down, then it might come all the way down to make a retest on this major support zone once again, and a break and close below that key zone is needed for gold to continue pushing down, creating new lower low on a higher time frame point of view. Now if you go to 4-hour time frame, then you can pretty much see the same key zone that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame which we just discussed, and also you can see this beautiful uptrend line which it drew right over here. Now gold on the upcoming week, if while respecting this uptrend line or even if it does not respect this uptrend line, comes down for a pullback to retest this key zone and create a new uptrend line over here, and in respect to that uptrend line, if it continues to respect this key zone or this low as its support zone and continues to push up by breaking above this high, like makes a break and close above this high, then you can go to shorter time frame like for 30 minutes time frame and then look for certain structure to be formed over there, and then you can look for trace on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum in hopes of gold coming all the way up to retest this obvious key level over here, or all the way up to retest this key zone over here which you saw on the daily to weekly time frame right over here or here. However, if gold, instead of continuing with further bullish momentum after making a breakout of this high, if gold makes a break out of this uptrend line and also makes a break and close below this key zone and also this low with further bearish momentum, then gold might be going down to all the way retest this key zone, like this support zone or any of the key zones over here, either as part of a pullback or either as an attempt to make a new lower low over here by breaking below its previous low right around here. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. We have two trend lines over here, two kind of biases over here. Let's see which direction gold moves up to, which key zone it makes a break out of, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these trend lines and key zones and stuffs are.